Welcome back to Character, and today we're diving into something truly special. An icon reborn, the legendary Shelby Cobra 427 is back for 2026. This isn't just a tribute, it's a modern beast built to honor Carroll Shelby's legacy while packing cutting-edge performance and technology. Buckle up, because the 2026 Shelby Cobra 427 is here to shake up the supercar world. The 2026 Shelby Cobra 427 stays true to its roots with a low-slung, aggressive stance, wide body fenders, and that unmistakable classic roadster shape. But Shelby has refined every detail to make this the ultimate fusion of old-school muscle and modern aerodynamics. The front end features a reshaped grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights, giving it a more aggressive and futuristic look. The side exhaust pipes remain, now upgraded with titanium tips, producing an earth-shaking roar. The body is crafted from lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, ensuring incredible power to weight balance, while modernized 19-inch forged wheels wrapped in high-performance tires complete the look. Step inside and you'll find a cockpit that blends vintage charm with cutting-edge technology. The dashboard features classic analog dials, but now with a fully digital driver display providing real-time performance data. The bucket seats are wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, ensuring comfort while keeping you locked in during high-speed runs. A flat bemi steering wheel, short-throw manual shifter, and minimalist center console give the driver a pure, focused experience. And while Shelby keeps it traditional, the infotainment system offers wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced telemetry system so you can track your performance like a true race car driver. Under the hood, the 2026 Shelby Cobra 427 is an absolute monster. At its heart lies a 7-liter supercharged V8 delivering a jaw-dropping 850 horsepower and 800 lb-ft of torque. This beast is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for true enthusiasts or an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic for those who want lightning-fast shifts. The result, a mind-blowing 0.60 mph time of just 2.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest Cobras ever built. With a lightweight chassis, rear-wheel drive, and an upgraded suspension system, this Cobra isn't just about raw power, it's designed to dominate the track as well. Shelby has also equipped the 2026 Cobra 427 with state-of-the-art performance and safety technology. The carbon ceramic brakes provide incredible stopping power, while an active aerodynamic system enhances downforce at high speeds. Drivers can choose from different drive modes, including track mode, which disables traction control for an unfiltered, raw driving experience. And for those who want extra control, Shelby offers an adaptive suspension system that adjusts to different road conditions. On the road, the 2026 Cobra 427 is nothing short of exhilarating. The brutal acceleration, razor-sharp handling, and roaring exhaust note make it a pure adrenaline machine. Whether you're launching off the line, carving through winding roads, or tearing up the racetrack, this Cobra delivers an unmatched driving experience that stays true to its legendary roots. Pricing for the 2026 Shelby Cobra 427 starts at around $250,000, with special track-focused editions pushing past $300,000. But for those lucky enough to own one, they're getting a piece of automotive history reimagined for the modern era. So what do you think of the 2026 Shelby Cobra 1427? Is this the ultimate modern muscle car? Let us know in the comments below. This is Car Trend, bringing you the hottest cars and latest automotive news. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic content. See you in the next video.